Hey there, TRW crew. Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So, being in the position that I'm in, I get questions all the time of, Matt, how did you start your business? Okay? I know many of you out there are looking for some type of side job, some type of supplemental income, and honestly, there is zero excuse to not make extra money. So I'm going to show you in this video how if I had $20, I could start an entire business with this $20 bill right here. Do you have $20? Maybe a couple coffees. I'm sure you can find $20 somewhere to start a business. So what I want to do is I want to show you how, if I were starting all over, starting brand new in this industry, how $20 could get me started. And I honestly think it would be successful. Knowing the way that I am, I could make $20, start a business and grow it to like the business that I've grown here. So as many of you know, I was a high school teacher for 10 years. My wife was a high school teacher for 8 years. We needed some supplemental income. I started as the Decal world. We had a few $100s, very, very minimal budget, had a few $100s at a time. We bought the least expensive vinyl cutter we could buy. We started the Decal world. And that's where we started making customized decals like this one right here. Huge freaking margins. If you got a couple $100, I'm going to make another video on that one as well. But huge margins on these decals, and this is what built our business up to where eventually we both stopped teaching. Pretty amazing, huh? Not going to happen overnight, and I'm not trying to sell you on that, okay? It requires a lot of work. But back to our $20 investment. For $20, what you can get is this right here. This is what we call our Rhinestone shoe kit. So obviously, to get into the vinyl decals, to get into the shirts and the heat transfer vinyls and all of that, you need a heat press, you need a vinyl cutter. It can be a pretty large investment. Well, with $20, I can get our TRW diamond cut flatback rhinestone shoe kit. Doesn't have to be shoes either. I could do a rhinestone golf ball. I could do a rhinestone pop socket. I could do a rhinestone AirPod case. I could even get crazy and do a rhinestone Yeti mug. Or I could do something like this right here. Rhinestone shoes. For $20, that little kit is going to get you enough rhinestones to do all 4 Nike swooshes on a pair of shoes like this right here. Here's the cool thing about this. You don't have to go out and get inventory. You don't have to buy the shoes. You go to your friends. Find your friend off the start, okay? Go to your friend. Hey, I can bling out your shoes for you. That $20 kit right there, okay? You bling out their shoes. You can charge whatever you want. Off the start, you might want to charge a little bit less. Maybe you charge them, let's just say, $40, okay? Way less than what I would charge, but let's just say getting going, you charge them $40. You know what that $40 is going to do? It might be, let's say 30 minutes, an hour, might be an hour and a half, might be 2 hours. Who knows? 2 hours of your time. $40, okay? That $40 comes in. You don't need to buy a whole nother kit again because you're still going to have the glue, the syringe, the pickup tool. Now all you need is more stones. You can get another 1,440 stones or larger, and I'm going to go over all the numbers here in a minute just so you can see as your business grows doing this. It's pretty freaking amazing. But first thing I want to do is I want to walk you through how I would bling out a pair of these shoes, okay? And you'll see if you do some research and look around, you'll find websites where they are only doing the outside swooshes on the Nikes, not all 4, okay? What I would maybe do, hey, for $50, maybe $60, I'll do all 4, but for $40, I'll just do the 2 outside swooshes, okay? Give your customers options. If they want everything, they're going to pay a little bit more. If they just want the outside where most people see when they're walking, then they can pay a little bit less. But now what you can do is your regular job that you have now, okay? You're going to still live off that just like we did when we were teaching. We didn't take any extra vacations. We didn't put any extra money. We didn't go to extra stuff or out to dinner or any of these things. We put every penny of the business back into the business and just kept growing it. Okay, that's the hard part. You're going to see some extra money coming in. It's going to start slow with the $20 investment. Don't think this is happening overnight, because it's not going to happen. Okay, let's be realistic here. Put in the time, okay? Slowly grow it, and this is starting from the rock bottom, 20 bucks, right? Like I said, I'll make some other videos with a little bit bigger budget and where I would start, and a little bit bigger budget, because I've done it all. I've gone from nothing. I have no experience in any of this stuff, just like most of you probably don't either, all right? I didn't grow up wanting to make rhinestone shirts when I grew up. So what I like to share is everything that worked for me, and now that I'm where I am in the industry, I can share all of this with you guys to save you money, but help you get to where we got, where we retired from teaching to where this is what we love doing, and we can do it all day, every day. Doesn't mean we work less, believe me, we work a whole lot more, but it's something we really enjoy doing. I love this part, the sharing with you guys, being honest with you and helping build your business. So for 20 bucks, pretty crazy, okay? You sell a pair, right? You bling those out. All of that money that you made, whether it's $40, $60, whatever it is, goes back into, obviously, getting just more stones, because we'll still have enough glue. Honestly, the glue that comes in this kit right here, I'm going to say you could probably do 10 pairs, maybe 15 pairs of shoes with the glue, the small thing of glue that comes in the $20 kit right here. You'll keep reusing the pickup tool. You'll keep reusing the syringe. All you need to do is refill those stones. So like I said, I'll get into the numbers here at the end of the video and just show you how you can slowly build this business. But guys, don't think of just shoes either. Like I showed you the golf ball and all these pop sockets and different things that you can do. I could throw some stones with the exact same glue you get in the kit just on this hat right here and bling out a hat for somebody. It's pretty amazing, and your options are limitless. I mean, it's completely up to your imagination as far as how crazy and what type of niche market you want to get into to start your business. And then obviously as you make money, now you can get to the point where maybe you get a vinyl cutter and you can start doing these decals. Then you invest enough to get into a heat press, and now you can make the custom shirts and rhinestone shirts and heat transfer vinyl shirts, and you just keep growing it from there. That's exactly what I did. So that's why I love sharing this. But let's head over here. I'm going to show you how to place these stones on. I'm going to throw a timer in the screen right here just to show you how long it takes to do one of the Nike swooshes. Gives you kind of an idea of what a pair would be, or just the two outsides. And then we'll run the numbers on it and see how much money we made. All right, so here we go. In this one, I'm going to use my super tight multi-grab 360. I have it in my syringe here, and then we have our Nike swoosh. So I have some of our SS6 Crystal AB. These are the Crystal AB stones, the Aurora Borealis. They look a little bit different. They show all the different colors to give a really cool look to it. I'm going to start up here in the top area, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of my glue. You don't need much, okay? And kind of coming around to fill this area in here quick. And I'm going to start with an SS6 stone. So let's go ahead and get this timer going. Alright guys, so that's it right there. Check this out. I actually, both sides here. So now remember, when I was talking about it earlier, we could do just the outside of the shoes. They provide the shoes for us. Let's just say we charge $30 for the outside and maybe $50 for all four areas. So what I want to do is I want to run the numbers here, show you what you can actually make, and then as you build it, where you go from there to build your business and make yourself some money. Okay, so what I want to show you here is an example of charging for just the two outside swooshes and charging $30 on a pair of shoes that your customer provides for you. So obviously we have $20 in our TRW kit cost for the shoe kit. Now we got $30 is what we're going to charge for those outside swooshes. So in that kit, you get about 1,440 stones. At 200 stones per swoosh on average, that kit's going to make us about 3 pairs of shoes. Charging $30 for each pair, our total income from that kit is going to be around $90. Now, I'm going to take into account that you even have an employee. Even though I wouldn't do this, I'm just taking into account that you're paying an employee $10 an hour. Okay, just to show you, you can still make money even with this. So a basic $10 an hour employee, it's going to take them about, let's just say, on average, 20 minutes per swoosh. So 2 outsides, we got 40 minutes per pair. They're making 3 pairs, so they have 120 minutes of actual cost. You like to figure out that labor cost. So our employee cost for those 3 pairs is going to be $20 out of our profits. Now remember, off the start, that's going right to you. That's just a bonus $20 for you. You're paying yourself. But we're going to put it all towards the business anyway. So even within $20 employee cost, we're going to make $50 on that initial $20 investment. Okay? Technically $70 if we're not paying an employee. Now we're going to reinvest that $50 into some more rhinestones because we can keep using the same glue and the syringe and the tool and things. And that's going to get us about 35 gross more of the crystal stones. Well, with 35 gross more, that's going to get us about 12 outside pairs of shoes. So you can see on the right-hand side here, 35 gross, $45. Let's just say we added in some shipping costs, so maybe it gets to $50. We got the 2 swoosh charge, which is $30 still, but now we have 5,040 stones, which is going to make us about 12 pairs of shoes. Our total sales on those 12 pairs is going to be $360. Let's just say we're still paying that employee $10 an hour. That employee is going to be working for 480 minutes, so 8 hours. So we have to pay that employee $80. But again, remember, that's going to be you off the start. I like to calculate this in just to show that you can make money even with an employee. So your profit made on that purchase of those stones is now $235. However, include in that $80 and you're making a lot more. Now we can reinvest that $235 to get about a 200 gross of stones. And you can see what's happening here, right, guys? 200 gross of stones. Well, with a 200 gross of the crystal flatback stones, we can make about 72 pairs of shoes with that 200 gross. And just to let you know, 72 pairs of shoes at $30 a pair is going to be $2,160 in sales. And remember, you already invested the money back in to pay for all of those stones. Now, at some point in there with the 72, you might have to get another $5 tube of glue, but very, very minimal cost. You can keep using your syringe and your pickup tool over time. And how crazy is that? All of that coming from this $20 investment, okay? No BS, guys. I'm telling you, if I were starting my business today, and it doesn't matter what income I have, whether I was a teacher, whether I was unemployed, whatever it is, I bet you can come up with $20 somehow, okay? With that $20, you can build a business. Creating a Facebook account is free. Creating an Instagram account, completely free. A YouTube account. Create an awesome YouTube video of making some awesome shoes and tell them how much they will cost, and they can even mail you the shoes, okay? Anything you can think of, you can bling out, and they will go crazy over it. So thanks for watching this video. I'm going to put a link right below to get the TRW Diamond Cut Flatback Shoe Kit on the website. You'll be able to do shoes like these right here, and everything that's included in the kit is going to be your fabric tack or fusion tack glue, which will work for the shoes but also work for the fabric as well for hats or different things like that. You're going to get your pickup tool, you're going to get your syringe, you're going to get 2 of the tips, and then you're going to get 1,440 rhinestones. So think about it this way, like I showed you in the numbers. 1,440 rhinestones, well, it only was about 780 stones to do all 4 Nike swooshes here, okay? So you could do 2 pairs, 3 pairs, just depending on what you're doing, whether you're doing just the outsides or all 4 of the swooshes. And obviously make more money then and quickly reinvest that into getting some more stones, making some more shoes. Eventually, after we make enough shoes, like I had mentioned, we get the cheaper vinyl cutter, maybe a silhouette cameo to get going. I have a video I'll link at the end of this on how to make money with the silhouette cameo. $269 investment with a little bit of vinyl, make a killing like we did as the Decal world. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope these videos really do help you out. I like to create videos that aren't just full of crap. I've been here, I've done it. I started my business from absolutely nothing with no experience whatsoever. The reason why I got into this side of the business is there were so many companies out there that is all about just make money, not share anything with you guys or us at the time, and just want more money from us. Well, if we weren't successful, then obviously that business was going to go out of business. And it really made me upset. And the businesses we started with, unfortunately, we didn't get that support. That's why we have over 2,500 free tutorial videos right here on our YouTube channel. See that right there? Follow that. Click that little subscribe. Click the little bell next to it. It'll show you every time we create a new video. It'll alert you so you can watch it and learn some more about the industry, about the business. I'm going to share everything I know with every single one of you to make you either a more successful business, or any of you that are brand new looking for some extra money. Who knows? Some of you might only want to make an extra $200, $300, $400, $500 a month. How awesome would that be, right? You don't have to build an entire business to get this going, but now you have no equipment and cost, no huge investment to get going, and see how it goes. I know you can make it work, and we're going to help you make it work. So thanks for watching, guys. You guys are all amazing. Make sure to click that like button right here. Comment below. Let me know what you think about this $20 investment, okay? A lot of you might comment and say I'm full of crap. I'm not, though, because I know it, because I built a business, all right? Now, it doesn't mean you can spend 20 bucks and everybody's going to come running to you. You need to work, right? You need to work your tail off. You need to go out and get the business. It isn't going to come to you. But all of you that are out there hustling, that are out there doing that, are going to be successful. And even if you go to 50 people and ask them to bling their shoes, that 51st person might be the one that ignites it. So thanks for watching again. Click the like button. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think. And of course, I will put the link to the shoe kit right below this video as well. I'll also put it this little ending screen right here with that cameo video. So thanks for watching. You guys have an amazing day. I'll see you guys soon. Later. Alright guys, so I hope this video helped you out, but now it's time for a little TRW challenge. I'm going to give these shoes that I could sell for $150 away for free if we hit on this video right here 1,000 likes and 1,000 comments. Everybody else, make sure to subscribe. 1,000 likes, 1,000 comments. As soon as we hit that number, I'm going to make a YouTube video to give these shoes away to one of you that liked and commented on this video right here. And as a second place prize, I'm going to give the second place person this $20 bill right here to start your business, just like I explained in this video right here. I'm going to start somebody's business. I'm going to start that secondary income for you with this 20 bucks. So 1,000 likes, 1,000 comments. Make sure to subscribe. We'll pick a winner as soon as we hit that number.